Okay, the first step in getting this task of downloading a YouTube video completed is first to launch your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit youtube.com. Alright, you can use this search and then type the video you want to download, alright? And then as it shows up in the search result, you click on it, okay? And then you start downloading. Or in this case, let's assume this is the video I want to download in this case. So I will click on it for it to open. Stanley did well. So once the video opens, I mute the audio here in this case because of copyright issue. Let me just pause it, okay? Then once you're on the video, scroll down a little, okay? And you will see download button here. So click on this download button. On clicking on this download button, standard is selected. Okay, standard video quality is selected by default. You have low if you don't want it to consume much of your data, you select the low option. But I'm okay with this standard option so that I'll have a good visual experience. Okay, then the next step you need to take is to click on this download. Okay, and after you download this video, you can play it offline, but in the next 30 days, you require internet for it to be made active again for you to keep watching it offline. So let's download that. Click on download. So you can see here the video is downloading. Now the video is downloaded here. Okay, so you may open your file explorer and feel like going to the downloads folder to see the video, but you cannot see it video. You cannot see it here. That's the truth. So the next time you want to watch that video, this video, let me close this. You still need to open your web browser. But in this case, you mustn't be online. You can be offline and it will play. So let's do it practically. I'm online here, so I'll click on this youtube.com. So visit youtube.com, it will load offline. I'm online here because I'm using the internet connection to record this video. But once you visit youtube.com and you're offline, you'll be taken to the downloads page for you to watch the video without internet. Okay, so but if you're online, you click on downloads folder here, is downloads tab. You see downloads tab here. You see the videos you downloaded, which you can play offline. All right. So if I'm offline, I can play this video and it will play very well. Okay, so you need to be on YouTube to play that video you downloaded offline. Okay, that's the simple truth. It's not going to be in the downloads folder of your file explorer. Okay, YouTube want everything to happen in their system because you don't want any kind of copyright issues because people may start abusing that. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and finance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.